friends, it's Running Kimono. I made a video this morning about Walgreens to get these body washes for $1.75 each. 100% digital deal, and it works. So I will leave the video linked at the very end if you want to watch it. Lots of great information in that video. And I'm going to jog you through how I got it for $1.75. First thing that we're going to talk about though is using this booster. So basically just go into the app, go into the flyer, the weekly flyer, and this should be like the second page. Grab a screenshot of it. You get the cashier to scan it from your phone. Boom, that's how you do it. And this is more than a one-time use. Please check out the video I made this morning where I get into the exact specific of how many times you can use it. And for the purposes of this video, we are using the spend 25 to get back 5. That's the one. Okay, so the Olay body wash, not the bar soap, is 2 for $12 in the store. That's how it's tagged, and that's how it's ringing up at the cash register as well. Now in the app it's ringing up for $5.98 or some goofy price, but in the store it is a different story. So how funny is that? So if you were going to do this as a digital deal, you would have to go only with bar soap, and it is tagged differently in the store. So for this deal, we're going to have to grab 4 of them because the coupon that we're using is an 8 off of 4. But I just would like to give you guys the visuals of what you can possibly grab. Also this bar soap as well. I know some people just swear by bar soap. So you have that option as well. And then the Old Spice, there is a whole bunch of scents for this, like even the one that does your taxes, and your taxes are due on the 17th. So Aunt Rach is saying get that done by Monday, or at least file for an extension. Yeah, I always get into friggin' tangents. Sorry guys. We're gonna grab 4 of these body washes for exactly 24 buckos. Now to use that booster, we are $1 short. So at my store, there's a dollar section where everything's exactly $1. And I just wanted to grab one item just to keep this really like easy for myself. A lot of food there too, lots of great stuff. But this kind of caught my eye. It's these little precision razors. Like if you want to just not pluck your eyebrows or just like a little piece of hair you want to razor off for your face. I like these. It's $1. So throwing that into my basket, it made it $25. So I have the 4 body washes and the little razors for $1. So at checkout, guys, this is how I did it. Got the cashier to scan my store card. And of course, I'm smiling the whole time because I'm a very pleasant shopper. And then she scanned the precision trimmer first. And then I got her to scan every single Olay too, just in case the digital coupon wouldn't come off. I wanted that 8 off of 4 to work, so she scanned the barcode of every single one. Okay? Then I pulled my cell phone out. I'm like, hey, could you possibly scan this? And the cashier's like, absolutely. And then she just scanned that. And then I presented the one register reward that I had from the Listerine deal that I did the day before. And as I scanned that little precision dollar item, it attached to that item on the line. The first item, and this is the first coupon that's presented. So that's how it works. And then this one also came off, which is the 8 off of 4. Now I also go into excruciating detail in the video I made earlier that if you have other Olay coupons, you have to make sure that this is the only one loaded because possibly the smaller ones will come off before the bigger one, and you do not want that. So this is the one that you want on your store card. Okay, so I just went through the order of how I did it. Even though the receipt is backwards, I did get that trimmer thing shape or whatever it's called, that dollar item scanned first. 25, and then as you can see, the booster is there. It says point coupon 25 plus purchase. Boom, there it is. And then the Olay digital is there, and then the manufacturer coupon, the one that I had from the Listerine deal. So my new total of what I had to pay cash out of pocket because I'm using a spend booster is $7. And then what I got back was a $5 store coupon. I got back $5 for spending or for buying 3 items, but this is a store coupon, so this is a little bit goofy. For another one of these deals, I can't use this because this is exactly like an IVC. So if I was going to go and buy some Scott on its own, I can absolutely use this, but just to note that this is a little different. So there's a difference between the store coupon and then the regular register reward that says manufacturer on the top. And then over to my Walgreens cash, as I spent $25, I am earning $5. So there it is. And then I got the 1%. So basically, guys, this shakes out to $7 for the 4 body washes, or $1.75 each. It is a fantastic way to roll that $10 Listerine register reward, which is a manufacturer coupon if you look at the top. But what a great little deal. Good luck with this one. It works, and what a great one it is. I'll catch you guys in the next one.